Hey everybody, we've got the Flarespace dogs here with us today. This is Gugga Bear and this is Leo, and we're all super excited to be announcing the new flat flare that we just put into production. They're available on the website today. The new Flarespace Flat Flare does a couple things. Number one, and for the first time ever, you're able to integrate an operable window into your back door. And this is super killer because what everybody's solving for is how do you get more ventilation into your van. And so this part of the window slides and you can open this window. It has a screen as well as being able to open entirely so that you can get a lot of air through your van. Listen, we just got back from a trip from Baja, Mexico. It wasn't quite hot enough to have the air conditioning on, but it was plenty warm that having this window open while sleeping in the bed that's right behind this flat flare brought a really great breeze, super comfortable, and I was really glad to have the flat flare integrated. The second thing that's going on is for folks that store their bikes outside their vehicles and on bike racks up here, particularly the Owl Van bike racks, they're finding that the windows are actually breaking because on hot days the pedals are hitting parts of the window here and either breaking them or severely chipping them. And so this prevents that problem as well. And then the third thing you should know is we send the flat flares to you exactly as you see them right here, including a cover on the inside, which we'll show you subsequent to this. But this is a high gloss black gel coat, and you can install this just as is, and it looks like a window going down the road because it's so shiny. If you decide that you're a little bit concerned about how gel coat fades over time, or you decide that you want to protect it so that it doesn't get any kind of scratches on it, I recommend the bed liner product from Rust-Oleum. And with one can of bed liner, you can spray these out and put a nice rougher finish on these, and then install the windows, install the flat flares, and you're ready to go with ventilation and some protection on the back of your van. For the first time ever, a little more ventilation in your van right through the back doors. Available at flarespace.com right now.